English Fast, helping learners of English build vocabulary fast. CEFR A1. Language, poor, see you later. Language. Language is a noun. A1 learners usually know language. At A1, language refers to the type of communication used by people from a particular country. Here are some examples. The English language is known all over the world. Which language do they speak in the Netherlands? How many languages does she speak? Poor. Poor is an adjective. A1 learners usually know poor. At A1, poor means having very little money or few things. Here are some examples. Poor people cannot afford to buy a new car. Many people are rich, but there are more who are poor. In poor countries, it may be hard to find the right medicine. See you later. See you later is a phrase. A1 learners usually know see you later. At A1, we say see you later to say goodbye to someone you will meet again, especially that day. Here are some examples. See you later. Okay, I'll see you later. All right then, we'll see you later. In the comments below, write some of your own sentences with language, poor and see you later. Email the editor at englishfast.co.uk for the CEFR A1 worksheets. Subscribe on YouTube to learn more.